When you compress that air, you're increasing the volume and moisture, not necessarily the amount, volume. That up here, maybe you can get happy. And I think that's about the last thing in this here. The summary, I mean, it's just something we went through already. But one of the things, remember this will come on your any exams I give you, as well as your midterm, as well as everything. The final, Mullion heaters. It's nothing that more than a heater, anything that's
Between the doors?
in the door frame. It's embedded in the door frame.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
it's between, it goes around the...
It goes wrong and wrong. Even if you have a floor like this, there's the threshold. It's running under there too. Okay? So it goes, the whole, all four